share and like. In this video, we will have a MCQ, multiple choice questions from the subject of microbiology. Okay, this is for the NARCET. This subject is a critical subject or it is a difficult subject to understand. There will be similar words in the subject. It is very difficult to understand whenever you write a NARCET exam. So, in this video we are presenting some of the multiple choice questions and answers. So, please subscribe, share and like. Okay. So, question number 1 now. We'll go to the question number 1. A microbiologist who says infectious diseases are one of the few genuine adventures left in the world. This is the question, and there are 4 options they have given. A is the Hans Jinsner. B is the Louis Pasteur. C is the Robert Koch. D is the Dr. John Snow. So, in these 4 answers, the first one, Hans Jinsner, is the answer. We will go for the next second question. Small pieces of viral DNA card. Small pieces of viral DNA card. Options are prions, B. viruses, C. bacteria, D. microorganisms. In 4 options, the first one, prions, is the answer. Third question, large parasites such as worms card. Large parasites such as worms card. Options are A. bacteria, B. fungus, C. helminths, D. viruses. In this answers, C1 is the correct answer, that is the helminths. Fourth question, living creature or composed of 1 or 2 cell type. What are they? Options are prokaryotes, A. B is the eukaryotes, C is the prokaryotes or eukaryotes, D is the none of above. In these 4 options, C is the correct, prokaryotes or eukaryotes. Okay. Fifth question, single cell eukaryotes are A. Options are A. protozoa, B. fungi, C. algae, D is the all above. So, here is the answer, all above. We will go to the 6th question. Viruses are organisms what they require to reproduce. Viruses are organisms what they require to reproduce. So options are A. living cells, B. dead cells, C. cells, D. none of above. In these options, A. living cells. So living cells only they reproduce, the viruses reproduce. Okay. 7th question, bacterium also called. A. Options are A. viruses, B. protozoa, C. prokaryotic cell, D. none of above. In these options, C. prokaryotic cell is the correct answer. Next we will go 8th question, expand DNA. Expand DNA. Options are A is deoxyribonucleic acid, B acid, C eukaryotes, D deoxyribonucleic acid. So here is the answer is the A, deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay. Next question. Mycoplasms in human beings, some species may cause atypical diseases. Options are A, pneumonia, B, PID, C, puerperal fever, D, all above. Answer is the all above. All diseases they cause. Okay. 10th question is the chlamydia. Chlamydia are also found worldwide. They cause some diseases. Options are pneumonia, B, trachoma, C, some sexually transmitted diseases, D, all above. Answer is the D, all above. Next question, 11th question. People are not sterile, they are colonized by about. People are not sterile, they are colonized by about. Options are 1 kg of wide variety of microorganisms, B, 2 kg of variety of microorganisms, C, sum of a variety microorganisms, D, none of above. In these options, first one is the correct answer. 1 kg of wide variety of microorganisms. 12th question. Normal body flora of healthy individual vary from one person to another is called. Options are A, normal flora, B, abnormal flora, C, flora, D, chain of flora. So in these options, A is the correct answer, normal flora. 13th question. Mouth contains normal flora of. Mouth contains normal flora of A, mixed anaerobes, spirochetes, B, predominantly pyrochetes, C, alpha hemolytic streptococci, D, all above. Answer is the all above. 14th question. Female genital tract contains normal flora of. Options are A, lactobacilli, sepidermis, sepidermis, mycoplasma, hemanis, C, Staphylococcus aureus 5%, D, all above. So here is the answer is all above. All above. Next question. Prevention of microorganisms development in a human body is the medicine is called. Prevention of microorganism development in the human body, the medicine is called. Options are antibiotic, B, anti-emetic, C, anti-diarrheal, D, none of above. Answer is the A, that is the antibiotic. 16th question. The removal of contamination such as dirt is known as. The removal of contamination such as dirt is known as. A is the cleaning, B is the disinfection, C is the antiseptic, D is the sterilization. So in these options, A is the correct answer, cleaning. 17th question. The destruction or reduction in numbers of harmful microorganisms, not usually including bacterial spores, is the process of. Options are A. Cleaning, B. Disinfection, C. Antiseptic, D. Sterilization. Answer is the B. Disinfection. Okay. Next, 18th question. A particular type of chemical disinfectant that may be applied to the skin or living tissue to remove harmful microorganisms without causing tissue damage is the method of. So options are A. Antiseptic, B. Cleaning, C. Sterilization, D. Disinfection. Answer is the A, that is the antiseptic. 19th question. The destruction or removal of all microorganisms, including spore method is. Options are A. Sterilization, B. Cleaning, C. Disinfection, D. Antiseptic. Answer is the A, that is the sterilization. This can also be used for sterilization of heat sensitive items. Options are A. Ethylene oxide, B. Glutaraldehyde, C. Formaldehyde, D. None of above. In these options, answer is the B. Glutaraldehyde. 21 question. Antibacterial substances which are produced. Antibacterial substances which are produced naturally by living cells are known as. Options are antibiotics, antipyretics, analgesics, none of above. Here is the answer is antibiotics. Question number 22. There are 4 main mechanisms involved in the action of antimicrobial drugs. Options are A. Inhibition of cell wall synthesis, B. Alteration of cell membrane, C. Inhibition of nucleic acid synthesis, D. Inhibition of protein synthesis, E. All above. Answer is the E. All above. Next question, 23 question. What is a localized collection of pus? What it is called? What is a localized collection of pus? Options are A. Abscess, B. Wound, C. Tumor, D. None of above. Answer is the abscess. 24th question. A differential stain used to detected and identify some type of bacteria, especially mycobacteria. Options are A. Leishman's stain, B. acid fast stain, C. Gram's stain, D. simple stain. Answer is the acid fast stain. 24th question. Immunity which develops in response to a stimulus is called. Options are A. active immunity, B. acquired immunity, C. acute infection, D. innate immunity. Answer is the B, acquired immunity. These are the MC questions from the microbiology for nurses. So please subscribe, share and like our channel. See, in our organization there are so many educators, all subjects educators are there. So for all competitive exams of the government or central government, we are going to produce questions and answers from the different subjects. So please subscribe, share and like. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video.